So a big problem in this industry with dietary supplements is there's a lot of moving parts. You've got ingredients coming in, ingredients going out, you've got labeling, you've got compliance, you've got formulation, you've got flavor. So many things have to come together to make an excellent end product. So the new challenges that you face every day are combated by having an awesome group of people to work with, whether that be in the lab, whether that be in compounding, whether that be on the line, whether that be in accounting and finance. Everyone has to work together and come together as a team to make this company successful. Hi, I'm John Ramsey. I'm the president at Aegle Nutrition. We are a dietary supplement manufacturer of liquid and powder products located here in Dallas, Texas. One of the things that sets Aegle Nutrition apart is we pride ourselves on delivering product to the customer early. In manufacturing, you have multiple moving parts. You've got ingredients coming in, you've got labeling, you've got compliance, you've got testing, you've got lab work, and you've got production. All across that process, there's many areas that could go wrong, so it's critical that you have a great team of people that ensure that process goes as smoothly and seamlessly as possible. We're very fortunate here at Aegle Nutrition to have many industry veterans who have been around and have done this stuff for a long time, so it makes for our company's growth and prosperity to be pretty seamless.
Hi, my name is David Hensler. I'm the R&D Director for Aegle Nutrition. I've got over 20 years experience in the dietary supplement industry and have formulated many products that you would recognize. Most notably, in 2004, I was one of the original formulators for 5-Hour Energy. Our department strives to create the best possible products on the market. We take the time and the care, we've got the experience to know what works and what doesn't in both powder and liquid delivery forms, and we strive to create the best possible products to put out there we can. My favorite thing about the company is just the people and some of the freedoms that we have here to be creative and to the ability to make a difference as every individual employee can. Not just myself, but on down the line to even the housekeepers or the compounders. We all enjoy the flexibility to provide input to make this company a better place every day.
Here at Aegle Nutrition, we serve a wide variety of clients from large to small. We're the type of company that is big enough to give you what you need, but small enough to give you what you want. In saying that, I mean that we're very communicative with the customer. We make sure that deadlines are met and that we always try to deliver early. We serve customers here in the US and abroad. Some of the largest MLM companies manufacture their products here. Our in-house brand, Tropical Oasis, is the largest selling liquid vitamin on all of Amazon, and we are continually growing there as well. We sell products in China, we sell products in the Middle East and all over South America, and we're just breaking into the European Union market now. It's been a great ride, a big learning experience, and I make myself feel lucky to come to work every day with such amazing people.